Today I am showing you 5 different ways to save storage on your iPhone. We all know how much of a pain that can be. So without delay, let's get into it. The first tip I'm going to show you on saving storage starts in the Photos app because for most of us, that's where all of our storage lies. So from here in the Photos app, we are going to go to Albums and we're going to scroll down all the way and we're going to look for duplicates down here. Now, once we're in duplicates, you can see that there are a lot of these duplicates and they're only going to merge these photos if they're exactly the same. Maybe you have an accidental screenshot or somehow have duplicated a photo and you can just merge those and that'll save you a little bit of space. It's not going to merge similar photos, only exactly the same photos. So just go through and merge as many of those as you want. And that is tip number 1. The next tip is to offload data from apps. So to do that, we are going to go to Settings and we are going to go to General and then iPhone Storage, which is where we are now. And we are going to scroll down until we see all of these apps down here. Now, look, you can see that Messages, the app, has 28 gigs and then TikTok has 17. Instagram has a lot. Now, I'm going to offload an app that I don't really care that much about. iMovie has 2 gigs. So let's go into here and we're going to offload the app. So technically offloading will delete the app, but keep its documents and data. So when you want to re-download it, it'll come back with all of the storage. But for now, we are just going to offload it. And immediately that's going to save me a few gigs here. And you can do that with as many of these as you want. Like I never use GarageBand, so I'm going to offload the app, save myself some gigs there. And you can do that with as many or as little apps as you like to save some space. The third way to save some storage and create storage on your iPhone is to delete downloaded videos from any apps you might frequent, like Netflix, for instance. So here in Netflix, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to go to downloads. And I have a lot of these that I forgot were here. So I am just going to work on deleting these and saving substantial space here. So you can go through and delete all of the videos you've watched or all the videos that you don't care to watch that have been downloaded. The fourth way to create more storage on your iPhone right away is by deleting downloaded maps. Now, Apple Maps has a lot more data for their map downloads than Google Maps. So I'm going to start here and see what we got. So to access my downloaded apps, I'm going to tap my picture here and go to offline maps. Now, I have a map here that is 4.5 gigs and it's in Europe. No, we can delete that. I'm going to delete this map, maybe. There we go. Delete. Somehow we got there. The map is deleted and I automatically saved 4.5 gigs of space on my device. And that's a good way to save some storage right away. And the last way to save space on your iPhone storage is to just look at the recommendations here at the top. So when you are in the iPhone storage section, now right here we have review large attachments from Messages. There's 26 gigs of large attachments there. And then there are also 19 gigs of old conversations that I haven't touched in over a year. Now, I'm sentimental and don't want to delete any old conversations. However, for you, it might be worthwhile to look at any large attachments you've sent in Messages and delete those. It won't delete it from your Picture app or your Photos app. It'll just delete it from Messages to save some space there. And that way you won't have duplicate videos hiding in multiple places. Now, the last thing you can do to create more storage is just buy more iCloud space if you really need extras. So go to your settings, go to Apple ID, and then head to iCloud. And here you can upgrade or downgrade. But as you can see, I have 2 terabytes of cloud storage to use because I hate accidentally losing anything or everything off of my iPhone. It's happened once before and I refuse to let it happen again. It's kind of expensive, but it could be worth it for you. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching how to save some storage or create storage on your iPhone. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert with WhistleOut. Thanks for watching.